Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today you see nothing behind me. Don't come closer, no. Today I'm doing nothing. You know what? There's no video today. I'm just kidding. We're gonna be opening the PS5 and all of its, I don't know, essentials. So first you must have the PS5. And then you must have your controller. There's a controller inside, but who cares? We need an extra because who likes playing by themselves? We have a charger. We have this football game. It's Madden 21. I don't know why it's a PS4 game. It came in a PS5 box. The headset, because you need to listen to your Fortnite games and YouTubers like that without waking up your mom at 3 in the morning. You need your charger, again, I don't know why, so you look more sophisticated. Then, you need a media remote. And, of course, you need to open the stuff, right? Okay. So you need to open the stuff. It's kind of hard, but you slide it out. Shoot, okay, slide it, oh shoot. Okay, here we are, the PS5. Right over, make sure to not hit the dish, because for some reason we're on the dining room table. How do we open it? Oh, there we go.
Was it on the bottom?
I think it was, I don't know.
On the top.
Oh, it's on the top.
There you go.
So we're having some trouble here. Yeah. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Bink, 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 bink. No, I need yours.
No.
Really?
There.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. As you can see, we have the owner's manuals. Manuals, I say, because there's 2. Guide. Safety guide. Quick start guide. I already know how to start a PS4. The controller.
Let's see the controller.
Yeah, let's see. Ew! So one we got from Target and the other one we got from wherever we got the PS5. You could be playing.
It's a secret location since it's your early birthday present.
Yeah. And then, I don't know. Here, we have the cables for stuff. And here we have a saucepan. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
What is
We're gonna cook some eggs on the grill. I don't know what that is.
Okay.
Bags. Oh, it's she. She is here.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
I need some help with that from our assistant technical
person.
behind the scenes cameraman.
Go. Ah! Yay!
Put it on here.
Oh, it's heavy. Okay. Oh, be careful. Okay,
Got
take
it.
that off. Ah!
Oops.
Oops, really? Oops. Ah! Okay, it's out. The newborn baby has arrived after 10 months. It is here. It is welcoming you from wherever you want. With its buddy, Mr. Controller. With its little sidekick. I need to turn it on somehow, but we need to plug it in first. Well, I think this is the best birthday present I think I've ever gotten. Besides the piano in my room. But, I think it's a lot better than that. Oh, that's what it's for. Look, it's a controller stand.
Mm.
Did you put the PS5 on it? I wonder. I don't know what it's really for. But yeah, here, let's open up this. Cause It's the favorite color controller by most people. Comment down below if you like this color. What the heck? I think I have to go like this real quick. Why is there packages inside packages? I might have to rip off the front.
No, pull the box. The inside.
Okay, pull it. There we go.
There.
Boom. Oh, Jesus. It almost went flying. Okay.
Got it.
The red controller. The brother of the white controller. Here she is. Oh, shoot. Whee! Look, it's Mario. It's red. I'm gonna paint this one green. Yeah, it's epic. That's what it is. That's a controller stand. I don't know what this is. I have no idea what any of this stuff is. Gonna have to look it up on YouTube. Because I don't know what that is. Well, media remote. It's probably like a Roku remote. But headset, Madden, PS5 box. We got all the essentials down. All you need is, I don't know. All you need is to do whatever you want with it. You can get mad on it to make your mom dispose of it. No, I'm just kidding. But yep. Hold on. I think we have more stuff, but we'll probably open that by ourselves because I think it's gonna be a lot. Probably by that time it's gonna be 45 minutes. But thank you guys for watching this wondrous video. Ah! Oh my god. I don't know what to say. Comment down below, like the video, and subscribe with notifications so you know when I post another video. And bye. Whee!